First of all, thank you very much. Um, we are playing all three formats here, so I guess this is a great opportunity for all of us. And I guess we'll be able to learn a lot of things from here as this is our first international tour. The boys are really hopeful, and I think this will be a great opportunity. We have been doing a lot of preparations, and I think our boys are really good. Um, we are looking on the bowling side more because I think that is our strength, plus the batting side and the fielding side, which is really good. I think we'll be able to give them a really good fight. Yes. I have seen the pitch. I think it will be a better place for the base bowlers. Um, but I guess if we can read the conditions, it will be easier for the batsmen to play for long. No. We are really helpful and grateful that our security is very good. The stadium seems pretty great. Um, we have been waiting for this kind of stadiums to play in, so I guess we're really excited. I guess I really like Babar Azam's batting.